Hi, so here I want to scan a couple of useful keyboard shortcuts in Rex IDE, and just in a few words what Rex IDE is. For a reminder, Rex IDE is kind of a hybrid terminal IDE for the AI era, because most of the work that we do today with the coding agents are through either talking to them or typing to them, communicating with them. So the terminal turns out to be a super useful place to communicate with AIs, like Codex CLI, Cloud Code, Cursor CLI. I find it super helpful and useful to have the terminal as the main concept, as the main thing in the IDE versus the code, right? We also have the code, we can look at the code, but the terminal is the central place. Okay, so now let's cut it and go to the keyboard shortcut. So basically we have here on the left the various sessions that we have. Each session is a combination of terminals that we have and also browser, you see. Okay, so we have both terminal and browser. The first keyboard shortcut is Command Shift Enter. If I'm on a panel, then I'll hit Command Shift Enter and it would maximize the panel. And the same goes to a browser. If I'm on a browser and I hit Command Shift Enter, it would maximize it, right? The second keyboard shortcut, if I want even more space, is Command B. This is basically the standard to evaporate the left side of the screen. So I hit Command B and it evaporates, and if I hit again Command Shift Enter, it like fully maximizes it, right? So I'll return it. Okay, so now I'll hit Command Shift Enter and it maximizes it. The next item, and the last one, because it's going to be a short one, the last one is going to be a voice input. So I'll hit Alt-Shift space. I chose an Alt-Shift space versus Command-Shift space, which is the usual, so it does not collide with other transcribing tools. So I'll hit Alt-Shift space, and now I can talk. So basically, I want you to review the last pull request in this repository, submit. So if you notice, once I said submit, it automatically submitted my text into the agent. So this was it. Basically, I have Command Shift Enter for maximize and get back, restore the size. Right, I had Command B to collapse and restore the sessions on the left side, and I had and I have Alt Shift space in order to start communicating with the agent. Submit.